Mastering English. Understanding the phrase, bowling lane. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific phrase that you might encounter, bowling lane. Whether you're a fan of the sport or just curious about English phrases, this video will clarify what it means and how to use it. A bowling lane is the surface you play the game of bowling on. It's a narrow, long strip of polished wood or a synthetic material, flanked by gutters. When we talk about bowling lanes, we're referring to the actual place where the bowling ball is rolled down to hit the pins at the end of the lane. Every bowling lane has several key components. The approach is the area where players take several strides to gain momentum before releasing the ball. The foul line marks the end of the approach and the beginning of the lane itself. Past this line, the lane is treated with oil to allow the ball to slide. The pins are set up in a triangular formation at the far end of the lane. Let's put our phrase into context. You might say, I scored a strike on the last bowling lane. Here, you're not just talking about any surface, but specifically about the area in a bowling alley where the game is played. It's important to distinguish the physical lane from the general activity of bowling. Sometimes, people might refer to a bowling lane as just a lane in conversation. There are also phrases like bowling alley, which is the entire establishment that houses multiple bowling lanes. Understanding the difference can help clear up any confusion when discussing the sport. I hope this video helps you understand what a bowling lane is and how to use the phrase correctly. Remember, learning a language is like playing a sport. The more you practice, the better you get. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.